take a listening test in English. You will listen and then choose your answers on the computer. When you take the listening test, you will see a big picture first. Look at the picture and listen.
Mr. Carter asked his class what their favorite subject was. He put that information in a bar graph. Look at the graph and listen as Mr. Carter talks to his students about it.
Then click the next button. This is the speaker. You will listen to the speaker. Then you will listen to the question.
When I asked, "What's your favorite subject?" 5 of you chose math.
How many students chose math?
The big picture may help you as you listen. Look at the answer choices. Click on a circle to choose an answer. You can click on a different circle to change your answer. After you choose your answer, click the next button to continue. You might see a question like this one. Listen to the speakers and then listen to the question.
More students chose English than any other subject. So, the bar for English is the tallest in the graph.
Which part of the graph is the teacher talking about? Click on the box that shows this.
You will see the answer choices in the picture. Click on a box in the picture to choose an answer. You can click on a different box to change your answer. You might see a question like this one. Listen to the speakers and then listen to the question.
Science, math, and English are listed in a table. Now let's put the data in the table.
3 students in our class said that their favorite subject was science, so 3 goes next to science.
Which subject did 3 students choose? Move the number next to the subject.
You will see the answer choices in the big picture. Above the big picture, you will see a small picture. Move the small picture to answer the question. Move the small picture to one of the boxes. You can move the small picture to a different box to change your answer. After you answer 3 practice questions, click the next button to begin the listening test. When you finish the listening test, click Exit.